In this video, let me show you how you can humanize AI content without getting caught. First, go to Write Human.ai and paste your content into the platform. The interface is simple. AI-generated text goes in, humanized text comes out. Choose your tone, enable the enhanced model, and hit the Write Human button. Behind the scenes, the system scans your content for AI traits, removes the typical AI writing patterns, and transforms it into something that feels naturally human. Once it's done, you'll see your new output scored and ready to go. Don't just take our word for it, try it on any AI detector available online. Just paste your output and see the difference for yourself. AI detectors are only getting stricter, and if you're a professional, marketer, blogger, or job seeker using AI tools, Write Human is a must have in your workflow. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.